Selling a home in Chicago? You might be making a costly mistake without even realizing it. Studies show that over a third of sellers regret their decisions. Don't be one of them. Stick around and I'll show you how to avoid the biggest pitfalls in the Chicago real estate market. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, your trusted Chicago real estate expert. Today we're diving into the most common mistakes sellers make and how you can avoid them to get the best deal possible. Whether you're thinking about selling or already have your home on the market, this video is packed with must know info. Selling a home isn't as simple as listing it and waiting for offers. Sellers often run into problems like overpricing their home and scaring away buyers, ignoring necessary repairs that turn off potential buyers, poor staging that makes it hard for buyers to visualize themselves in the space, choosing the wrong agent who doesn't actively market the home. These mistakes can lead to longer days on the market and lower offers, or worse, no offers at all. So, how do you avoid these common mistakes? Let's break it down. Pricing smart. Don't just go with what you think your home is worth. Get a competitive market analysis from a local expert, like me if you're in the Chicago area, to price it competitively. Preparing your home. Small repairs make a big difference. Fix that leaky faucet, touch up paint, and declutter to create a welcoming space. Staging and presentation. A well-staged home sells faster and for more money. Just think neutral decor, maximizing natural light, and adding a few cozy touches. It's nothing you have to really spend money on. Choosing the right agent. You need someone who knows the Chicago market inside and out, has a solid marketing strategy, and communicates well. Here's a quick story. A seller in the Northwest Side ignored my advice to fix minor issues and listed their home $30,000 above market value. 6 months later, with no offers, they had to lower the price by $50,000. Meanwhile, a staged and properly priced home down the street sold in just 2 weeks. Lesson learned: the market doesn't wait for you to catch up. Okay, so let's recap. Avoid overpricing. Handle repairs before listing. Stage your home properly and work with an experienced agent who has a solid marketing plan. Selling a home is a big deal. Make sure you do it right. If you've sold a home before, what mistake do you wish you had avoided? If you have one, drop a comment below. And if you're thinking about selling, check out my other videos on top tips for first time home sellers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an update. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you back for another video.